Hello, and welcome to day 22 of learning ML from chatgpt. So let's get started. So yesterday we learned about model optimization and hyperparameter tuning. So let's go back to the lesson. And yeah, we saw that there was grid search and random search. So grid search was where we iteratively went through each possible combination, whereas random search picked a random one of each, which didn't necessarily give the best hyperparameters, but normally gave a good range. Okay, so now let's go into day 22's lesson and see what we've got. Okay, so we have, no, sorry, this is day 23, my bad. I need to change this. Let me just check. Oh yeah, my bad. Okay, so please give me day 23's lesson. Okay, model deployment, saving and loading models, deploying models using TensorFlow, serving on Flask. Okay, let's get started then. Day 23, model deployment, concept, saving and loading models. Learn how to save and load machine learning models to make them reusable. TensorFlow's model.save and model.load model functions for saving neural networks. Scikit learns joblib or pickle for saving and loading models. Model deployment methods, TensorFlow serving, flexible, high-performance serving system for machine learning models designed for production environments. And the Flask API, a lightweight web framework to deploy machine learning models as APIs for inference. Okay, saving and loading models in TensorFlow, yeah, it's pretty simple. So we just do model.save, path to model, loaded model equals TensorFlow, keras models, load model. Okay, then to deploy one, we need to install Flask. Then we did this we did Flask, we covered it in the Learning Python from chatgpt series. So you can check that video out. So we have our app and the Flask. So our Flask application, and then we load the model, and we can we can predict using the model that we just loaded. So data equals request.get JSON with predictions, which is what our model will predict. And we're using a library here from Flask, JSONify, which converts these using this function. So then if underscore name underscore equals main, we'll just run with debug. Okay, assignment: deploy a train model using as a web service using task of TensorFlow serving. Train a simple model like a classifier. Save the model. Deploy the model by setting up an API endpoint using Flask. Test the API by sending requests and checking the model's predictions. The goal for today is to understand the end-to-end process of deploying machine learning models and making them accessible to external applications via API. Okay, that was quite a simple lesson. So I'm not going to do this assignment as I don't think it's possible to do it on the Google Colab. However, I will just copy the code across in order to show like the code and keep it stored. And I'll save this as a GitHub GIF so this can be accessed in my GIF. My GitHub username is Robert Shepherd CPP, and then you can find my GIF from there. Okay, so that's all there. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.